A Numberful Wednesday, kids! Join me as we learn how to count, solve, and enjoy math. This is Teacher Jurel and welcome to our class. Measurement plays an important role in daily life because it is useful in doing basic tasks. Finding the perimeter is one of the applications of measurement. For today's session, we will talk about perimeter. Are you ready, kids? Come on! And let us begin our numberful journey. Before we proceed to the lesson, I would like to invite you all to a magical learning experience at home with Vibal's Happy Homeschool program. You may enroll in a standalone program in math. Just check the link in the description box to learn more. As we learn about perimeter, we will answer these two questions. First, what is perimeter? Second, what are the things to remember in finding the perimeter of a figure? Come on, let's begin. Perimeter is the distance around the figure. It comes from the Greek word peri, which means around, and meter, which means measure. To find the perimeter of the tile, we need to find the sum of the measure of each side. Let's try this example. Edward and his father tiled the bathroom floor using square tiles like this. What is the perimeter of the tile? To find the perimeter of the tile, we can use the formula in finding the perimeter of a square. P equals S plus S plus S plus S, or P equals 4 times S. Now, let's find the perimeter of the tile. P equals 10 centimeters plus 10 centimeters plus 10 centimeters plus 10 centimeters equals 40 centimeters. Therefore, the perimeter of the tile is 40 centimeters. Fantastic! How about this? Marjorie is decorating a rectangular lampshade that measures 32 centimeters by 22 centimeters. She wants to put some beading around the edge. What length of beading does she need? To find the length of beading needed, we need to find the perimeter of the rectangular lampshade. To get the perimeter of the rectangular lampshade, we can use the formula in finding the perimeter of a rectangle. P equals L plus W plus W, or P equals the product of 2 times L plus the product of 2 times W. Now, let's try solving the problem. P is equal to the product of 2 times 32 centimeters plus the product of 2 times 22 centimeters. 2 times 32 centimeters is 64 centimeters. Plus the product of 2 times 22 centimeters, which is 44 centimeters. 64 centimeters plus 44 centimeters is 108 centimeters. Therefore, the length of beading needed is 108 centimeters. Good job! Let's solve this one. A triangular sail has a measurement of 8 meters by 15 meters by 17 meters. Find its perimeter. To get the perimeter of the triangular sail, we can use the formula in finding the perimeter of a triangle. The perimeter P of a triangle is the sum of its sides A, B, and C. Now, let's solve the problem earlier. P equals 8 meters plus 15 meters plus 17 meters. That is 40 meters. Therefore, the perimeter of the triangular sail is 40 meters. Splendid! Always remember that the perimeter of any closed figure is the sum of all the measures of its sides. Come on, let's try more examples. Let's find the perimeter of this triangle. Remember, the perimeter P of a triangle is the sum of its sides A, B, and C. Let's solve. P equals 5 meters plus 3 meters plus 7 meters. That is 15 meters. Therefore, the perimeter of the triangle is 15 meters. Awesome! Now, take a look at this. To find the perimeter of a closed figure like this, we will find the sum of all the measures of its sides. P equals 10 centimeters plus 16 centimeters plus 23 centimeters plus 14 centimeters. That is 63 centimeters. Therefore, the perimeter of this closed figure is 63 centimeters. Very good. Take a look at this figure. This figure is made up of squares and rectangles. To find the perimeter of the figure, we need to have the measure of all the sides. Now, let's fill in the missing information. To make sure no side was missed out, start at one corner and go around the figure in one direction until you get back to your starting point. Now, let's find the perimeter of this closed figure. P equals 14 centimeters plus 5 centimeters plus 2 centimeters plus 3 centimeters plus 2 centimeters plus 8 centimeters plus 8 centimeters plus 8 centimeters plus 2 centimeters plus 2 centimeters. All in all, that is 54 centimeters. Therefore, the perimeter of this figure is 54 centimeters. Fantastic! You did great, kids! Now, let's go back to our 2 questions earlier. Perimeter is the distance around the figure. The perimeter of any closed figure is the sum of all the measures of its sides. You are fantastic! I hope you learned a lot about perimeter today. If you did, click thumbs up and share this video to help young learners like you to count, solve, and enjoy math. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Of course, to experience magical learning at home, check out Vibal's Happy Homeschool program. Visit the website to learn more and see the link in the description. Again, this is Teacher Jirel and see you on our next Numberful Wednesday.